Lare no gun berak bijouwe. Nou be o wagbon. Nou salo. Ave nou salo ana. Nou o hu ave nou o hu ana me webo. You know the shame. You know the shame. Confession. Your maid they do confession. Now this kind of confession that they do. To come they talk and they take sleep with married woman. And now you say you be traditional man who be o wagbon no gun bera no gun ware jera hu. Never let me with wagbon. You not fear. You say, Ivie, I got your address, thank God. I want to give it to court. Yeah, doing no more than the court. Are you okay? Thank God, say I get your number where I take circulation for you, of course. Engineer Strasse. What bell back no? What ogun here back with you? When you other people go up for social media, you go they talk put. You don't know. So you don't be your body now. You send me anybody not to put no bell back no good boy. Oh yeah, kia. Small boy, when no felt paper for our brother. So black toto you the fair they go. I blame all those women when they open their toto for you. A responsible woman when you go to person like you touch the responsible woman, I go big one. All the one who they talk, my brother Ivie will call who will settle because me I not get anything. I know Sabi. If we quarrel, we settle, I'm fine. I know they remember that quarrel, we fair quarrel. That's me for you. I just let go. I know some people put something for mind. Once I say, me and you fair quarrel, we don't settle. Baga, arrest. Don't babe no bell back more. If I go bring a cut. I don't go register. I don't go report your video. I beg reporter. No be only Italian. I go bring anything or say you for reporter. Try me, you call stop police work, bell. Do you know where I am? Are you mad? You think I'm a riffraff like you in Europe? Are you mad? Are you crazy right now? Wow, very useless small boy. I get your address, I take circulation call for you. My address now what they had or go back bijouwe. If I don't see letter from your charge bail lawyer when you say you get. You will not get documents. I don't see letter from any lawyer from Italy. Not in 2 weeks time or 3 days time. You slept with a married woman. People are coming out to tell you the truth. That what you did was wrong. No, what do you want now? Just make the saga mama ego. You when they come and they talk say you be this one, you be that one, you be traditional man. Look at you, look at what you they use your mouth they talk say. Now so you sleep with married woman. How the married woman take the shot? Ain't you ashamed of yourself? Don't you know you are laying curse on yourself with all these things you're doing? I'm not supporting the woman, but what you are doing is bad as a Benin man. My people, man, are not versed. If my phone off. I know fit because my charger, I don't know what they happen. You know the charge. And today na public holiday. Now only tomorrow I fit go buy charger. I don't know what they happen. The thing, you know you're the charge. Since morning I dey deal with her. Since morning now I plug and now see 30% now day. Tomorrow I'll go buy charger because today everywhere closed because the public holiday for you. No bad. And stupid men, where they call your platform and clapping for you. You think after they talk like this, you just go, I don't know. When you know say you they lie, say you know say she was married. No bad. You just say if you they talk her, you walk with your mouth, now your mouth will cover everybody. You know, say me they come the bit of labor, my go no. Walking cannot better because now you now they against that kind of thing. Say who go sleep with married woman. Look bad, useless boy. All those women will sleep with you. I'm so ashamed of them. I swear to God. Because a responsible woman can never. What's the bunny way? A bunny may get away to toast him and go back barak bijouwe. Who swore? That boy you wish like that. I go bring police come. I go carry lawyer. If you want to send your lawyer, your video, may you go to Italy. No, we arguing now. May you go any police office whether you feel go. You will be immigrants. Illegal, useless boy. May you go see the donation when people don't donation you. You think you will go scot free? You think my Papa Ego will just let you go like that? After bringing out his video, wait till they do operation for hospital. You think it's right? This is a man like you. You could not you don't even get any regard for a man like you. They show a video where they do operation for hospital. When you know at the same time you, they say that's what you do is against the law. Are you mad? You will carry his young come out for you, come they use the sickness. Now so he sickness, now so he do this one. Do you know how many donations they don't donation for that Italy? No buy back more. Wow, warrior. If papa go see you, he know if your man say be a beg you, no fear home for. I know say papa go, he don't know what they do. You cannot humiliate a man like that, a man like you. For your man, people are clapping for you. For your man, you come out there, come they insult people. Oh, go on, banner. Oh, go on, banner. Anybody where they talk, put when they join you, walk, go, Who want join you for your nonsense? After sleeping with a married woman, you come out there to come they talk and you take fuck another man's wife. You want people to be clapping for your uselessness, for your stupidity. Later you call yourself, I'm a Binima, which Binima you be? No bad when don't talk about that. Don't yet do nothing. All this thing, when I'm when I do Allah Jabba what you do working, but that's you people are not Bini. Every Binima will not do what you are doing right now. Is it because Papa Ego is not a Bini man? Look at the way you are downing his moral as a man. You say, now Mama Ego you the saga. Was Papa Ego there when you are Mama Ego they do what you do? No bear no. No worry agbo no ogbo ba gon na ware you ho. If you are the leader one couple of years, which one do you want couple ogbo boy? All the way I tell you where problem of the saga you. I've been at the video of Becky where they shake me out for you when you say come for me. I've been on the audio when me and Sajaye to the quarrel. Where they send you say, see what your Sajaye do. See how your Sajaye can start with me. Now you want to play. You look me like person where they fear any presenter. Like seriously, this idiot. Oh, origine, hotene. There was a day I even sent him a voice record. I told him, I said, this is the way you do is not good. You keep on insulting Mama Joy, insulting Julie Dala, and Waginotata. Even after you don't do their saga, they don't talk to you, you are still insulting them. It's not fair. It started to drop call from my head. I sent you a voice message. I said, this way the drop call from my head. It's not good. Pick my call. Make I tell you why I tell you something. You leave those women in the saga then again. After all, they didn't do you anything. You are a mad boy. Which one do you want to play? What? What? Ah, God. And the verse. From year to year. Shame and disgrace. Look at the shame and disgrace where it bath you. You think say you the rain? For your mind you the rain? Shame and disgrace where they bath you. Gaima, which Gaima you be? Gaima not the fuck old woman. Real Gaima cannot date the women you have dated. A real Gaima. A real Gaima cannot date the women you have dated. A real Gaima cannot date a woman after their quarrel go come and come they show, come they describe it total. These are the women when you date with maybe 1 year, 2 years. Are you mad? They call itself Gaima. Gaima with they love for inside toilet. You went to sleep with a married man. According to you, you went to sleep because I never see talking the truth. Until you say you want to play audio for my go. When my go for they call you, I 1 year. If you can't play before I will believe because all the book will know. According to you, a Gaima will go sleep with a married woman for 1 month. Married woman, they lucky for inside as if they go walk or go boy. You they call yourself Gaima. Which Gaima will go meet woman for us, go greet woman. Woman what come out to go lock her for inside house. Woman want receive call, go lock her for toilet. You they call yourself Gaima. Wow. What belly who are making a web boy? If you that your video, he got there with lawyer. Oh go boy. Oh go be lawyer. What so bagbo? Very useless boy. the things where they do. Now, so I tell her, say, stop staggering Julie Dala and the rest. Stop. Let these women be. They don't talk to you. Let them be. He drop cough from my hair. I begin call and not pick again. Because this is the way they do. He say, now so, me no saga his sister. Now so me go carry a papa house. Now class. You no saga me. Why be so much do person do like with the pepper on her body? No, useless boy. Till today, you never still get documents. Now you they make my part for social media. Why see me so on you know do ask who do have that on social media? Why you ma? Ne magbo e ma do ere webo. I greet you, mom, because Constance. What your mommy? I greet you, mama, yo. And God go bless you, mommy, yo. God bless you, ma. Happy New Year to you once again, ma. Love you so much. I greet you, mama, Jessica Love. What your you, Happy New Year to you and your household. What nonsense! What nonsense! At this, I greet you, my lovely mommy. What are you doing? Look at what you are doing. People that are really standing for the truth, they will not beat Mama Ego, they will beat you because you are the one that is against all this nonsense. All this nonsense with the call confession, and you are against it. And when they beat me, and not say I fuck up. You just say you just talk like that, you go just free like that. Are you mad? You think anybody is scared of you on this social media or immigrant like you? Boy, we not get, you don't get going, you don't get caught. They make me for social media whereas your life is useless. Dating women up and down. At the end of the day, you still come out and be insulting the same women. Oh, God have mercy. I keep on saying it. Any woman, when you come and say, I felt friend down. I friend and me and I can't they do love you for video call. See, man, forget even those person where I like Johnny said. I still they talk and me be there when they talk. All those women, they don't know themselves. Because a real woman cannot date person like you. You when they lick from mouth. Or one boy. It's nothing like you. Now so lie for your mouth. And so lie for your mouth. The first single mother when you come meet for Germany that year, where be my follower? Where be my fan? Where that woman will call me? You and the woman call me, begin to beg me whether I feel you will pay me 6,000 euros, whether I feel a give person paper for marriage level. Now I say I'll call her back. When I call her back, what I tell you, I say I not feel do one because as I did for this Austria, so what you concern police never concern me before. Police come my house today, now me use my hand call police. I dey wash cloth for washing machine, I dey parlor. Before I know it, water don't full everywhere. I called police immediately. As police they come. Now so fire vehicle follow them come. Now they contain stabs up my house where water full for bedroom. You dey crazy? I don't get one dent for this, for my name, for my document for this Austria. Hey, that baby mama, that time when you come meet for Germany, the first time, that one they beg me, oh mommy, mama, I beg if you do one for us, mama, I beg, if you don't have any money, 6,000 euro, mama, I will give you, mama, I beg, just do one for us. Now say, hey, my brother, my sister, mommy say I no fit do one more. Now say, why you not go chop a door from that country? Mommy say I no fit do one, but make a fair think. As I think I tell you and your baby mama we fed the friend, I tell you, I no fit do one. Because I never put one for that kind of nonsense before. I cannot do it. I go do coaching with person. Can't give me money if you can't leave tomorrow. You don't have a for me to do coaching for person, me more me I didn't me coaching any me be your boy. What bell. You know they talk for another people matter. Was it not the man you brought out to this social media? They accuse themselves and say sleep with another woman, another man wife. Where you they insult them? Whereas now your team be that one where they sleep. Even when, according to you, you go the fuck woman. Your husband go they call. You go lock you for toilet. Wow. Look at what you are saying with your mouth. And people are clapping for you. Where say this your confession good? Which kind of confession? Useless confession. Confession no ma mia o mieke. A confession below a confession de yeke. A confession will not feel work me way now. I will feel work me way on a work here. So you are so bold to come out there because you feel say nobody go feel nobody, you know, anybody not fit talk. You feel you will be very bold and come out there to come they tell us how you take sleep with another man's wife. Tell a confession. Even the way you are saying it. It gives a down. And later you come out and call the talk for other people issue. Later you come out and the talk say you be traditional man, a traditional boy who no tornado no me way wagno. No go back on a boy wagno, no dev war. No salo wagno. No love can let the no love can let the Yagi way yana. No your bad why you are wrong, a yaw war. Was soon wagno. And may I dust in a row, maybe I dust, you know the shame. Your shame, they shame me. When they carry my page last year December, I tell Frank, my page here. He said he go introduce person to me. Now they tell you introduce my God brother to you. Now so I tell introduce her to me. You go the open Toto for that one. Now you go use Toto tell you that one. That one never even thought say I can call before you buy tickets. Go for prick for Lagos. Use less girl. Now they make one for live video. You buy ticket all the way from abroad, go for prick for Nigeria. You say you guess say Bugad, no who. You guess this now. You say you guess this, man go use it to do marriage ad without your family being present. Use less girl. Now they tell introduce Mama Ego to me because of page. Now so they tell introduce Mama Ego brother to you. I mean. But you go the fucker. Useless thing. Shameless idiot. Your Toto there for my phone, maybe I does if you don't know that me, you know. Now you they all put Toto go they give that guy for Lagos. Look back, what guy Toto when he that you are because you are guy, he guy le WhatsApp here. What soon? You think I be like a month away because he come at that time. Was it not last year? My people wanna come Destiny Bagua don't send Ivie to talk for me. Ivie to talk there with me. If you need that, come they call me. I go send that to you for WhatsApp. I was just laughing. Destiny Bagua don't send Ivie to talk to me. I get her. Now so those useless boys where they Italy. Because when I look at people where they Italy, they are, the way they do things, you just look at them like people where they bush. Not be all of them, some of them. Majority of them. Now, so all those boys begin go, they call this boy, they write this boy for Instagram, for this thing, for Snap, Nenemi. Say, I beg, send me that Ivie Toto. You say you get on now, send that to me. Wagbe. Maybe I just hear not correct. Why soon go back? I got Ivie to tell. That's the bag send Ivie to talk of him. You they correct? You they mad? Who soon what? This idiot, because they use all my method to follow person. Oh my brother, you know I live if you are break electrical for you. When I tell you say you they eat that whether like Kalashi that they call and be like Kalashi. I never eat that before. I for because me and you they play now. Wherever you say yo, I use and laugh. Say that go over me. You think say that my address, you want to come out to the land, you what to be address for abroad? Oh God boy. Engineer ancestral say number zip thing. Wow. Oh, go back one no one everyone. No matter what, even who man go what address maybe most of no, I believe say present away me and them don't wrong things. No one will not get my address. Yeah, I said when no sadia, you get my address. Where I tell me the best name come for me that time. I send them my address. Even this maybe I don't know who I mean now. Where I tell buy your hair for a hand. My address there with her. You will not get address for Italy. You they use another person name they send that say they send something come for me. I look at you, I say, oh the mouse. And I go and make you live video, I address it. You You come out now and say, I know I use my real address. Shut up your mouth. What is there in address? What is there for address? You come put my address for social media. Police go come, they look for me, they go and be waiting. Now Australia I do, now secure country I do. You them mad? I know they Italy. Whether for the fair, they buy themselves for street. Without police don't go come. Who's so? Me and you not mate. If you are not going to carry police come for you. This thing you are doing, may you sit down, may you reason if it's right. You are the one that is being way there against this whole thing. Now you be the person when they come out. You know the shame. You don't even fear. I don't know media door. Now the way you see us when be like your presenters now. Now make you feel say you feel come and call the buga on top of say you sleep with married woman. Quand they talk as it to top you no be over no suhungu. No any boy. So line I dey your mouth. Now so you there with Oibo. I came out, I can't tell people say this boy not there with any Oibo. Now black they live with for us. They come out and say they with Oibo. Now say that Oibo in they live with. I said a lie. Nobody took it from me. Nobody believed it. I said a lie. Because information come meet me. Now one woman. Now see old woman. Now so old woman you come for abroad. Wa soon go back, but wa gbeo. Ya give it where ya ho. Egbe kito be there, egbe dan. Egbe no ho. You they make me for social media. Every man say ti bo wa ma bigogo. Every man say ti na even community people. Now I give your papa that land. Now I help papa build the carry block, do the house which way they. Your papa no fit put window for us, no fit put door for us. No bell. Then you call the talk to people who pass you. No here agbon. Now wa bera wa biju and usungu. No we here. You will fuck your mama. Since when you take fuck your mama, now I make old women toto. You know they finish for your house. No say who heard the day, who heard the day, who here. Where did they? Here you where they your bone. Look at the women where they come out, where they come out, when they use your mouth or siak but no yagwa, when they use your mouth and say, I sleep with her. When I will see that, I say, God, this boy not get taste. You are so tasteless. A guy man, you they call yourself the more glog boy. Which guy man where get sense go sleep with the women where you don't sleep with? Are you mad? Which guy man where get sense they sleep with married woman? They come out, hey, that's all, okay. Hey, not we, not talk. I've never been married in my entire life. But you were sleeping with a married woman that her bride price was being paid. Even under the nose of her own children. You are not even ashamed to come out there and say it where. Say, when you are the woman where there was my house. Now so the children go there. The children don't never sleep. You go just see fire down. Like seriously, me where trouble no need. I greet you, my sister. Mama, I go decide down there. Yeah, not true. Fetanyano. Mama, I go decide down there because of, maybe not because of what they get together. It's really painful and shameful. Anyway, I will say the truth. But I'm talking for the both way. This boy over you know you take no sense. See what he can't use the matter they confess. Which kind of confession be that one? If your brother they made that kind of confession, no, show you slap her from us, it will be a taboo no night. Now you the day date other people with it. Now you can't they talk say na so. And they see her now, Faith, my sister. Faith day where they for Scandinavia. Faith, my sister. You know say I Faith tell you say you stay away from this one down. You know they hear me Faith. When enter a boy now. Or I see what well at Johnny. Why any time away? Faith, when they tell you now, you not go believe. Faith, about few months ago, now me I just say, for inside this, for last year, we just knew, for 2024. Me I just call and say, 3 months ago or so. Faith, now this boy, now he send your Toto video come for me. Oh, with you got 20, 30 no be there. Oh, hey, I called him. I said, please don't share it. I said, please don't bring it, don't share it to anybody. He said he reserve her for keep it. And this is the person where I lay out it erame. Feti or damn be my sister. On no man be more. When we walk, you know why I say Frankie wetty everywhere. A Frankie wetty everywhere fit. Or 20, I'm so disappointed. We may all way Frankie no us zoo and over Kiana or everywhere. Or not send you where give me. Or funny me. Me time where a doctor. More time when they post and then send them up and all. After that woman, if you go with you about 20 no be there when I was shocked. I called him immediately when I will go with Jenny. Now what in the send the no now. This is the person we are here. First stay away from live video presenter. Who where at your you be then any what's it called? And I saw you they do orphanage, and I saw you they do this one. Why can't you just face your thing and be doing your thing? Why can't you just face your thing? Oh yes, so now atiti now we here. Atiti ma no ye nu ye ni worry. My sister, we met time where we stay away from all these people. Where having matter. A Frankie even on a Frankie did not do work. Or he did not do work. On your eye with what I'm doing now, tell me, and not time away. Without we are about that. Me and Faith, we are related. Me and Mama, we are related. The mother, the Mama Faith, and my auntie. From Papa's side. Did you understand what I'm saying? I said that time away. I was so ashamed. We done a video where we Frank era, Faith Frank everywhere. I like but where Faith do where be where be on a dear Frank when I take Frank everywhere. My sister, la wo, hey, ye ko ya mutu. Or wait up we move out town, my sister. Hey, we be maybe only stay away from this evil boy. Stay away from this evil boy. The boy is evil. All the conversation when me and you they get. When me and they do saga. When what you call her, your ex-girlfriend, the back you, they insult me or not, they insult yourself, not be me. Come play everything. I dey fear. Wow, soon we are born be. The day when you ask me, say, me and my boyfriend, what did the happen? Your boyfriend, they report to you, say, that's why I too stubborn. Now say, I don't, the thing just tire me. You say me, I send that, me, I send you a number, now I send you a number. You don't get the number, you say you not save her. Now I send that to you. Now, like that, you say, no, tell her, say, I send you number. You say, you still talk to her, not be like that. Are you mad? Who's you? Which audio you want to play? Who better be you? Wow, who are going to mama? Very useless boy. Very useless boy. Una we be women when they see all these things where this boy they do to all the girls where don't nyash. Una still go they poor for this kind of thing. To even start with, if you are really responsible woman. But what is the freak una for this kind of small thing body? This boy will not even go school. Will not feel this thing. I have friend the boy no always to available. Hey boy no wow from here to two. Boy we mad the lick any like trap. I not say one not friend boy, but one still they look the kind boy one the friend. One they look the kind man we go toast to now. He get as he be as a woman, guy you tell yourself. He gets some kind boys will know if you toast you. Before they'll come toast you, they'll say, this girl, this one my mate. This one, I did the jeva. And the one until they put myself, I'll see over your canal, we know why, or I said, I don't toast to one. A boy from Commons will carry phone, cause they, if you I like you, he can move good, but I'm good, you get them mad, or go back, be sure. They create serious shame and disgrace. If you every year shame and disgrace, they follow you. Look at the shame and disgrace when they follow you. You are not the one that's not sitting down to use your mouth to confess, to talk. How you take sleep with another man's wife? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You don't know it's a cost to you. Sabi leak plate. I am milk no leak plate. On a leak who to anything we are on here. If you don't say Frank, don't leak your toto. I beg go and work that toto work. Go down to place. Mommy, let love lead. I greet you. I greet you, mommy. Yo, what or You understand? What do you want to play? When I tell you, say, oh, Sadaye, oh, Sagan, oh, yeah, is a way, man, Sagan, so what? Oh, the Lajana, when the Sagan will continue. Oh, go, Afrak, you also, who go. What, Bell, as I allow it, be, you know, but what they that war, I'm not going with him. Like boy, until you come play where you are a year go for the play love, before me, you believe. After this, I never still believe say you are a year go, you not do anything. You want just play on her because of that land. You want just pull life for that innocent woman head because of the land where she collect. Land that you no. According to you, you say they sleep with her. You were greedy. If you really do her, which me believe say you not do her, you were being greedy. Because of us, you started sleeping with a married woman. Even when you knew she was still married. You say you don't know, say she don't marry, she don't tell you. The time you can't tell no, who to yagbe amekwan who are yaru doto. Me no talk even your mak be onenya. And you want me otonenya. And you our ancestors never collect the land and the house for your hand. No be ragbon. E gama no hua. E gama no ye for flat ya we dede. Uwe dede no ro do wa gbe ragbon gon gbe ragbiju e. Your mates, they build house for women head. When I hear 4 flats, who waited? According to you, who waited? What bell? If we move, you were one way you talk regularly. You will move where I'm a bug where you know. Another boy, who soon went to where we are. Why me a gaman who will not dead men, who will not your man? You feel say you just come out for everybody, you call they beat my man and go, una way they beat me, una not get sense. You they mad? You they mad? This is what you want to do. You want to manipulate all the presenter so that they will be beating my man and go and leave you where you do the shit for inside alone. You where they accuse other women wrongly. You they accuse other men wrongly. You think you can just come out there and say, and they talk on the way it been at the chair, they toss. I want to confess. I slept with my man and go, walk, where move where. Mwe lajo ngo do atawe uloye koko na ro do wa sun agbon ogun ba gbon na wa re yo nzan Ivie I want to sue you where ben we asu woman we never do Italian woman we are the baby amebe we have to teach woman Italy who work yawo when your police station your donation of Italy not be you police go you know how many donations they on net. You know how many donations they on net? You think say Ezekiel a small pikin for Italy? Ezekiel go school for Italy. You know the donation where they your head for Ezekiel head. For all the things what you do, you think Papa Ego will just be relaxing and sleeping after you brought out his picture where they do operation for hospital. You don't know the hospital. The hospital will be the ones to sue your ass themselves. Oh, what's it to no? I go your when away, not here, but no, go back bijou. If I bought Lara bijou, if I lay me woo, if I know who, if I know my city, then we don't my city, they're walking. Ya said Bogany be a caramity, the derby, where I get city and win at Esther. I'm on TV. Wow, Abu have been a whole long way. Of you down on mamma, of your kito pit. There is no cover no lajania. Of your madam of your we found a far one with a doctor. A 5 when I found a law with me. Mommy Costa la wo wo je ni je. Be nu ya blog go a blog go Francomos wo ba Francomos no nota uwe bala. Ashi wele na go e wo so bo ehun. Women can't do a shower for her blood. At the end of the day, now still the shower you still marry. What be useless boy. I'm not going to your wife's side because I don't have anything with your wife. The time when you put me on a phone line, when me, you, she, and my boyfriend go there for line, we be talking well. So I don't get time to insult that woman because she don't do me anything. Wow, since you married that woman, you marry the rest of my dinner. I have your picture because of you. If you like why you go work when you want to no bell agbon. Don't get me no you fit talk. E ma igwe yo gwe no gwo abi lu polo de nu gbe o ba gon nu sun wu nu kunya bi we bonu be na. She ma this girl is la we gbe. E fa ru an we no na. E fa na motie. Wa wu bi e den. Wa like dan. Wa va wa agbon. As no gyo bo wan me yo we. Wa gbe o. Ovia agbo. Agwera agbo ovia no. Ovia never ga gani o agbo. When I bear no viani see where but we no see where you can. Or you saw here, you say whether you are not from Muse, you are from Okada. Bell agbo. When no gears the last naka. When naka no babe e bodan no raw upon no gwewe. Mommy, let love the gigi yo. Ona your Lagos fire, na your only water, na ya other area boni ya you boy. Ya get to oh. If follow but you think this one a joke? You think say now marry her, you take the come out now. When you come they use your mouth, they talk rubbish. And you they describe how you take sleep with married woman. Shame on you! Why? Ooh, a fraction of what the work, bell. My mommy Joe. My mommy, we are telling you. Mommy, constant, you know me. The only mama, like you, but he love you. Because you know why I love you, mama. You know they stand for nonsense. Can still remember what happened. Some few weeks ago, a few months ago. The way you take stand, put. Like God will bless you, they go for me. I see you as a very educated woman. And may God continue to bless. Oh, only for our do yo 1% of it care. Charge you. You go so off. Mama, as you post mama ego, they write things, they blog mama ego, they write things about us. When you rock my you come at a shiver level, and I shall go, no kitty, I shall go at the end of the day. I thought dig me a winner. You go for no what oh, can I like the head of a water. You did deny. Queenie, you know, say, now that feed, now me there against people where they sleep with married woman. Now, queen can't go laugh for my head. No, you can't use your mouth to confess no burn, okay, boy, I don't know soon. Small boy with the fuck woman with the husband house. What, where go talk, boy. Now, every papa, I go ahead, now I go disturb you to you, but now me talk, papa, I go, as you just they talk, so all this nonsense we they use your mouth to talk. Papa, I go. If you use destination to see if you don't work for your for. And papa I go may make sure say sue your ass. May papa I go don't take for Italy. May make sure say because of that video when you show when you take the hospital, may make sure say that one make them deport you. They will deport your fucking useless ass. Because you are a useless boy. You are cursed. Papa I go the work for embassy. Forget. Say maybe now so maybe he get some issues or he get problem now he dey sick. Now normal thing. You not me say not still get level for that Italy way day. He go put you for problem. And Papa I go, I'm begging you, sir. It's not for saga. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. Papa I go, those videos where that boy bring out for social media when you take the hospital. Papa I go, sue this boy and make sure say you deport his ass back to Nigeria. He's a useless boy. What kind of a man will come out there and be telling another man to sit down, to listen to how he slept with his own wife? Are you mad? What kind of a man? They go do you, diabolical idiot. Idiot, you know. Now so he come, hey Ivie, my sister, hey, you don't get one guy. The guy get money, oh, he get Africa shop, he there for Italy here. He say he like you, he say he want you die for your matter. Now why the one say bring? Now I say, Frank, may you collect, since the one say he get money, that one years ago. Now I say, may you they collect the money for the hand. Anyone will take for it, I send my uncle for me. Now so just because that day, now say, my boyfriend report me to her. He say me, I too stubborn. If he they talk to me, during the time when me as I they get saga. We'll take saga ourselves. If he they talk to me not the hear. He say I too stubborn. Now say me, I not get time for anybody. And you see me so now they touch. My boyfriend they tell you say I too stubborn. I know they hear what they talk. You call it the hear what they talk. You don't do. Hey, Ivie, I beg. Not to say, call her. Not to say, see what me, I not send anybody as I your day so. Don't send anybody. Unless I never verse. I'm on egg. That's why he come. Hey, Ivie, they tell you that Igbo guy. This idiot, oh, that Igbo guy, the guy, they get on my guy, eh? The guy say no, they sleep because of you. Now Italy, then the guy wanna go, he get Africa shop. He say, he must marry you. He say, no one your friend, he won't marry you. Now tell her, say, Frankie. Echo. I bet me, I give her your number. Now say, you don't give her my number. You don't give her my number. You see, you don't give her. Now say, another seeker. Now say, Frank, my brother, make I tell you something. Where you even know say I did on that relationship. Now say Frank, any boy with the Italian can never. Yeah. No, we never Imagwalo. Immediately as he dropped, I called my boyfriend. I call him. Early morning I go work. I call her. I say, see what Frank they talk. This one is Frank where you say you like her well. See what they talk. He say now so one guy. Now so the guy say want marry me. Now so the guy get money. That one just laugh over her. He just laugh. He say, say forget it. You know, say they are jealous because I'm not a Benin person. I say, you see. But here introduce the man. Me even though say me not even there on that relationship, you introduce man to me. Even though that man like Benin, you dey crazy. Tomorrow your court say this man where Ivie the date or where marry Ivie son I mean now introduce go and what the boy know my face. That make her oh God.